So I just wanted to run you through one of the advantages of tracking links when you're producing funnels or when you're producing ads. What we've got here is we've got an ad offer funnel, which is almost done here. And if we come into this, then what we're going to see is that each of the front end links is tracked in here. As I come down, we come down to my results, and we've got our opt-in page with the front end. We've got our checkout page with the front end here. Thank you page, front end, checkout page, front end, thank you page, front end. So we've got these 5 pages with the URLs right here. And so when we come to actually run ads to that, I'm like, you know what, it'd be a really great idea to have some custom conversions. And what I can do is just begin working on this and bring across each of these custom conversions. We've got the opt-in, we've got the free checkout. So if they've seen either of these 2 pages, but then haven't seen this page, thank you / offer page. And then once again, there is a paid checkout. So if they've seen either of these 2 pages, but not this page, then we can run traffic to each of those. But I want to grab all of those. So let's come across. And I suppose you could do this from your actual page builder. But if I've got this, boom, close, ready to go, come down to my checkout front end, close, grab that one. And then we've got my thank you front end, close. And maybe you don't even need to do this at all. You could just go straight across, but it does mean it's easier in terms of having these links for inserting into my Facebook events manager and the thank you page front end. Okay, there we go. Cool, close. So I've got all of those here ready to go. I'm going to add in my Facebook events manager or custom conversions page, and then I can go through, open that, store that, add these in, set to go. So I don't need that anymore, but this is going to enable very quickly to grab all those pages. I don't need to go into the actual software that built it all. I've got all these links ready to go. I hope you found that useful. One extra use of Magic Boards and the benefits of tracking what we are working on. If you want some help or you want to grab the software, head over to www.magicboards.io.